Hi everyone, my name is Miss Haley, and today we're going to be having a bit of a special story time. So that means we're going to have a bilingual story time, and it's going to be me speaking in English and Spanish, and I hope you'll sing along with me during our welcome song. I did want to say real quick that we have two books today. One is Goodnight Moon and Buenos Noches Luna, and so this one is about a little rabbit who has so many different things to say goodnight to. And then we have another one called Llama Llama Red Pajama, or La Llama Llama Rojo Pijama. And this one is going to be about a silly llama who just cannot get to sleep, and he needs his mom's help to do that. So before we get started, we're going to sing a new welcome song, and this one's called Good Morning, Buenos Dias. So you can do these hand movements along with me. Okay, let's start. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you, very well, thank you, and you, and you. Now let's try it in Spanish. Buenos dias, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Good job. Très bien. Okay, so now we're going to start our very first book, and that's Goodnight Moon. This one is by Margaret Wise Brown, and we just want to thank HarperCollins for letting us do this read aloud. And I'll be reading the Spanish copy here, and you can look at the pictures of the English copy here. In the great green room, en la gran habitación verde, there was a telephone. Hay un teléfono, and a red balloon, un globo rojo, and a picture of, y un cuadro, a cow jumping over the moon. De una vaquita que salta sobre la luna. And there were three little bears sitting on chairs. Y otro más con tres ositos sentaditos en sus sillas. And two little kittens right here. And a pair of mittens. Dos gatitos juguetones. Dos calcines y dos mitones. And a little toy house, y una casa de muñecas, and a young mouse, y un ratón que corretea. And a comb, and a brush, and a bowl full of mush, y un cepillo, y un gran pene, y papilla, and un tazón. And a quiet old lady who is whispering, hush. Y una amable viejecita que teje muy calladita. Oh, we're back in our verde room. Good night, room. Buenos noches, habitación. Good night, moon. Buenos noches, luna. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Buenas noches, vaquita que salta sobre la luna. Good night, White. Buenas noches, lamparita. And the red balloon. Buenas noches, globo rojo. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Buenas noches, tres ositos. Buenas noches, tres sillitas. Good night, kittens. Oops. Buenas noches, gatitos juguetones. And good night, mittens. Buenas noches, lindos mitones. Good night, clocks. Buenas noches, relojes. And good night, socks. Buenas noches, calcetines. Good night, little house. Buenas noches, casita. And good night, mouse. Buenas noches, ratoncito. Good night, comb, and good night, brush. Buenas noches, pene. Buenas noches, cepillo. Good night, nobody. Buenas noches, nadie. Buenas noches, papilla. Good night, mush. And good night to the old lady whispering hush. Buenas noches, viejecita. Que tejes tan calladita. Good night, stars. Good night, air. Buenas noches, estrellas. Buenas noches, cielo. Good night, noises everywhere. Buenas noches, ruidos. Buenas noches, tierra. That's the end of our story. Thank you guys for listening so carefully. And now we have a little rhyme to do that also has to do with bedtime. And it is called Five Little Hedgehogs, or not cuatro, cinco, erizos saltando en la cama. So 5 little hedgehogs are sitting on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more hedgehogs jumping on the bed." Make him sit upright. Cuatro erizos saltando en la cama. Uno se cayó y se golpeó la cabeza. La mamá llamó al doctor y el doctor le dijo, "No más erizos saltando en la cama." So now we have 3 little hedgehogs jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more hedgehogs jumping on the bed." Dos erizos saltando en la cama. Uno se cayó y se golpeó la cabeza. La mamá llamó al doctor y el doctor le dijo, "No más erizos saltando en la cama." Now we just have one little hedgehog jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Put those hedgehogs back in bed." So let's put these back together in bed. We have 1, uno, 2, dos, 3, tres, 4, cuatro, and 5, cinco. Good job. Okay, now we have our second book. This one is called Llama Llama Red Pajama, or La Llama Llama Rojo Pijama. And this one is by Anna Dudney. Thank you to Penguin Random House Publishing for letting us do this read aloud. Llama Llama Red Pajama reads a story with his mama. La Llama Llama Rojo Pijama lee un cuento aquí en la cama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama Llama goes downstairs. Un beso tierno le da mamá. Y muy despacio, mamá se va. Llama Llama Red Pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby Llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. La Llama Llama Rojo Pijama a su mamá llama y llama. Mama dice, "Espera un poquito." Oops, I skipped a page, guys. Let me go back. Sorry. So, la Llama Llama despierta está. Se siente sola sin su mamá. Quiere un poco de beber. Mama tiene algo que hacer. There we go. Llama Llama Red Pajama calls down to his llama mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby llama hums a tune. La Llama Llama Rojo Pijama a su mamá llama y llama. Mama dice, "Espera un poquito." Baby llama canta bajito. Llama, llama, red pajama, waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby llama starts to fret. La llama, llama, rojo pijama, espera a mamá sentada en la cama. Mama se tarda en llegar. Bebé se empieza a inquietar. Llama, llama, red pajama, whimpers softly for his mama. Mama llama hears the phone. Baby llama starts to moan. La llama, llama, rojo pijama, gime bajito desde la cama. El teléfono suena, mamá va a contestar. Entonces bebé llama, empieza a lloriquear. Llama, llama, red pajama, listens quiet for his mama. What is Mama Llama doing? Baby llama starts boo-hooing. La llama, llama, rojo pijama, gime bajito desde la cama. Oops, didn't turn the page. La llama, llama, rojo pijama, escucha atenta desde la cama. ¿Y ahora qué hace mamá? Bebé gime y hace buah. He crying. Llama, llama, red pajama, hollers loudly for his mama. Baby llama stomps and pouts. Baby llama jumps and shouts. La llama, llama, rojo pijama, grita bien alto desde la cama. Bebé llama patea y patalea, pega gritos, salta y brincotea. Llama, llama, red pajama, in the dark, without his mama. Eyes wide open, covers drawn. What if Mama Llama's gone? La llama, llama, en la oscuridad, rojo pijama, Mama no está. Está arropada, no se ha dormido. ¿Será que acaso Mama se ha ido? Llama, llama, red pajama, weeping, wailing for his mama. Will his mama ever come? Mama llama, run, run, run. La llama, llama, rojo pijama, llora y llora desde la cama. ¿Vendrá acaso su mamá? Mama llama, ven acá. What do you think she's doing? Did she hear the baby llama? Looks like she found him. Baby llama, what a tizzy. Sometimes mama's very busy. Please stop all this llama drama and be patient for your mama. Bebé llama, que malcriada. A veces mamá está muy ocupada. Deja de gritar inmediatamente. Y por favor, sé más paciente. Little llama, don't you know? Mama llama loves you so. Mama llama's always near, even if she's not right here. ¿Acaso no sabes? Mi pequeña llama, cuánto, mama te ama. Mama está contigo. Siempre será así, aun si mamá no está junto a ti. Llama, llama, red pajama, gets 2 kisses from his mama, snuggles pillow soft and deep. La llama, llama, rojo pijama, recibe besos de mama llama. Que suave almohada, que rica cama. Baby llama goes to sleep. Y al fin se duerme, la llama, llama. He finally got to sleep. Thank you guys for helping me get him there. Okay, now before we do our goodbye song, this went by so fast, we're going to talk about this craft that I made for you guys. And it is also about bedtime in a way. So you're going to pick up these craft kits from the library while supplies last, and you're going to make a little sock friend that will go under your bed and he'll give you good dreams because he's a friendly monster. He's not one of the scary ones. So you'll basically find any sock around your house, maybe an old one that doesn't have a mate anymore, and you'll turn it into one of these and make it as crazy looking as you want. So I hope you'll come in and grab one of those. And I also wanted to remind parents and caregivers that we are going to be doing these bilingual story times in English and Spanish once a month from now on into the future. So I believe the next one, I don't want to say, but the next one will be in October, I think around mid-month. And before we go, okay, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and sing our goodbye song. So this one is a call and response. And that means I'm going to sing the first part, and then you're going to repeat after me when I point to you, okay? So let's try it. Goodbye, so long to you, my friend. Stay well and fine till we meet again. Good job. Okay, now let's try it in Spanish. Adios, adios, a ti, mi amigo. Cuídate muy bien. Nos vemos otra vez. Great job, everybody. Très bien. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you'll come to our very next story time next week. Thank you so much. Bye.